Lie on your back with your legs together and fully extended on the mat. On an exhale, bend your right knee into your chest, point the toe, and hold the leg as you straighten it up to the sky as close to a 90-degree angle as possible. Bring your arms back to your sides and keep your left leg extended on the mat in line with your hip. Imagine your right leg is an artist's brush and you are painting small circles on your ceiling. Let the upswing be the accent as the brush stroke returns to the start position. Begin by sweeping the leg across the body, circling down and around, and then back up, and using the powerhouse to hold the leg momentarily at the top of each circle. Press the palms down, keep the hips grounded as your leg floats in the hip socket, and continue across and around and up, across and around and up, across and around and up, and last time with control and a little flourish at the end. Now circle in the opposite direction. Reach out and around and up, out and around and up, and continue completely grounding in your hips, your torso as your leg floats in a circle. And last time out and around and up. Bend your knee and stretch it out on the mat. On an exhale, bend your left knee into your chest, point the toe and straighten it up to vertical. Keep your arms long by your sides, palms pressing into the mat. Feel the shoulder and pelvic girdle grounded firmly down as you circle the left leg across and around and up, and across and around and up, across and around, and across and around, and last one, around and up. Now circle in the opposite direction, keeping the hips and trunk stationary as you reach out, around, and up, and out and around, and out and around, and out and around, and last circle to the left. And now bring your leg back down to the mat, and as you become more proficient, you can gradually increase the size of the circle while maintaining pelvic stability at all times. Now bring your knees into your chest, placing your right hand on your right ankle, the left hand on your right knee. Stretch your left leg out above the mat at a 45-degree angle from the floor, keeping the back flat on the mat and your abdominals scooped throughout the movement. Inhale, lift your head and shoulders into C-curve. Exhale, pull the navel deep into the spine and staying completely anchored into the ground. Inhale and switch legs and hand positions. Exhale, stretch the right leg out of your hip, bend the left knee in, left hand on your ankle and right hand on your knee. And inhale, switch legs and hands, and exhale your left leg out. And inhale, switch, take the right leg out. And continue keeping your elbows out wide and your shoulders pressing down away from your ears as you stay lifted from your abdominals. And last time, right leg up. Now bring your feet back to the mat, knees bent. Lie with your knees drawn into the chest. Inhale and curl the head and shoulders off the mat, hands on your shins, elbows wide. Exhale, pull your navel deep into the spine. Inhale deeply and simultaneously stretch the body out, the legs out at a 45-degree angle and the arms reaching back by your ears. Anchor the torso firmly into the mat. On the exhale, pull your knees back into your chest, circling the arms back around to the shins. Inhale, stretch out, arms by the ears. Squeeze your buttocks and thighs together as you extend the legs out. Exhale, circle the arms around and the knees in. And again, inhale, stretch the body long. Exhale, bring the knees and the arms in. Keep your chin toward your chest so your head doesn't drop back as you stretch your arms up. And 3 more. Inhale out and exhale in. Inhale out and exhale in. And last time. Inhale, stretch out, and exhale fully, pull both knees into the chest. Take a deep inhale, and on your exhale, bring both feet down to the mat. Lie on your right side with your feet slightly ahead of the hips and the hips and rib cage aligned. Rest your head on your right hand with your elbow on the mat and the top arm bent and in front of the chest. Keep your hips anchored and stacked one atop the other. Your torso is stable with the rib cage lifted and only the top leg moves. Inhale, take the left leg forward and kick. Exhale, point the toe back and kick. And inhale, forward and pulse. Exhale, back and pulse. And forward and pulse, back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. Last time, forward and pulse, and back and pulse. Now bring the legs to rest together and roll onto your left side. Bring the feet slightly in front of the hips with your head resting on your left hand, top hand on the mat in front of your chest. Inhale, the leg forward and pulse. Exhale, back and pulse. And forward and pulse, and back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. And last time, forward and pulse, and back and pulse. Bring the legs back together in line with the spine. Roll onto your right side in side lying position with your shoulders, hips, and legs in line. Inhale, lift the top leg up with the shoulders and hips anchored. Exhale, lower the leg with resistance, stretching the leg long. And inhale and lift up. Exhale, press the leg down. Take the top leg only as high as you can while keeping it straight. Bend the bottom knee if you need more stability. And inhale, press up. Exhale, lower down. And inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, press it down. And last time, inhale, lift up. Exhale, and press it back down. Now roll to your left side. Shoulders, hips, and legs in line with your top hand on the mat in front of your chest. Inhale, lift your leg up. Exhale, press the leg down. And inhale and lift. Exhale, stretch it down. And inhale, lift up. Exhale, press down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift, and exhale, down. Last time, inhale, lift up, and exhale, press down. Now roll back to your right side and maintain side lying right. To prepare, inhale, lift the top leg, toes pointed. Exhale, circle the leg in forward motion for 5. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Now reverse direction, circling back and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Now bring your legs together and roll onto your left side. To prepare, inhale, lift the top leg with the toes pointing, and on an exhale, circle that leg forward for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And in the reverse direction, circling back for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Lie on your back in neutral spine with your feet on the floor. Take a deep breath, and on the exhale, pull your navel in and up. Fold your knees to your chest, and then straighten your legs to 90 degrees. Stretch the arms long by your sides, palms down, fingers reaching away. Inhale and float the head up, curl the upper back into C curve, and pump your arms. And Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And last time, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend your knees, lower your head and feet to the mat to prepare for single leg stretch. Inhale, fold the knees to the chest. On the exhale, float your head up, curl into a C curve, and straighten your left leg out in front of you, 45-degree angle. Keep the core strong to anchor the body to the floor. And inhale, place your right hand by your right ankle, your left hand by your right knee, keeping the elbows high. And exhale, switch legs and hands, right leg up, left knee bent. And exhale, switch, and 2, and switch, and 3, and switch, and 4, switch, and 5, switch, and 6, switch, and 7, last time, switch, and 8. If your back does not stay down on the floor, bring the legs up a little higher. Now bring both feet to the ground and stretch your legs out, extend your spine, and take your arms overhead for roll-ups. Stretch the body completely with the arms overhead, heels pushing away. Squeeze your glutes and press the legs together as you anchor the hips and legs down. Inhale your arms up over the chest and then exhale, peel the spine up and forward, arms reaching long and chin towards your chest. Inhale wide into your ribs, exhale and press the spine back down, one vertebra at a time. And again, inhale the arms up, exhale, scoop the abdominals, curl the spine up. Inhale deeply, squeeze the buttocks under, and on the exhale, pull the navel deep into the spine and roll back down. Inhale the arms up, exhale, peel the spine up and stretch forward. Inhale deep and wide, exhale, slowly roll down. And one more time. Inhale, arms up, exhale, pull the navel deep into the spine as you roll up. Inhale the arms long, exhale, smoothly roll down. Now, roll up to sitting for rolling like a ball. Bend your knees into your chest, hands resting on your shins. Tuck your chin toward your chest and round the upper back into C-curve, shoulders relaxed. Lift the feet off the ground and balance on your tailbone with your elbows lifted out. Pulling the navel into the spine, inhale and roll back to the shoulder blades and then exhale forward and up to balance. And inhale to roll back, exhale and roll up, keeping your ball shape. Initiate the movement from the pelvic bowl. Inhale, roll back, exhale, roll up. And 2 more. Inhale, pull your navel in to roll back, exhale, roll up. And last time, inhale, roll the spine down, exhale, forward and up to balance. And then bring your feet to the mat, extend the legs straight out in front of you for spine twist. Sit tall on your sit bones with the legs together, thighs pressing down. Reach your arms out to the side at shoulder height. Dynamically stretch the legs out and the spine up. If your spine is not fully elongated, bend your knees slightly. On an inhale, pull the abdominals in and up as you lengthen through the crown of the head. On your exhale, twist to your right, squeezing your buttocks and legs together tightly. Lift your chest as your eyes follow the hand. Inhale, rotate the spine back to center, arms reaching out, shoulders pressing down. Exhale, twist to the left, rotating the entire rib cage and reaching out with the arms. Inhale, lengthen and rotate back to center, chest lifted. And again, keeping the crown of the head and tailbone in line. Exhale, twist to the right, chest lifted, sitting tall. Inhale to center. Exhale, twist to the left, arms reaching long. Inhale, back to center. And one more time. Exhale, spiral to the right. Inhale, center, sit tall. And exhale, spiral to the left. Inhale, back to center. Now lie down on your left side for side kicks. Bring your head to rest on your left hand, your elbow on the mat, and the right arm in front of the chest. Stretch your legs out with the feet slightly in front of your hips, keeping the pelvis and rib cage aligned. Engage the abdominals, pressing the navel deep into the spine. Inhale, lift the right leg to hip level and swing your leg forward, foot flexed, and pulse it twice with 2 little kicks. Exhale, point your toe and swing the foot back and pulse twice. Keep your rib cage lifted throughout the movement. And flex forward and pulse, point back and pulse. Flex forward and pulse, point back and pulse. Forward and pulse, point back and pulse. And 4 more. Keep your torso long and hips stacked. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. Last time. Forward and pulse, and back and pulse. Now roll onto your right side. Rest your head on your right hand with the left hand in front of the chest. Extend the legs out with the feet slightly in front of your hips. And inhale, press your navel deep into the spine, lift your left leg and sweep it forward, foot flexed, and pulse twice without rocking the hips. Exhale, point the toes back and sweep the leg back, pulse twice. And again, flex forward and pulse, point back and pulse. Flex forward and pulse, point back and pulse. Flex forward and pulse, point back and pulse. And 4 more. Keep your hips stacked, torso stable. Forward and pulse, swing back and pulse. Forward and pulse, swing back and pulse. And last one, forward and pulse, swing back and pulse. Now to finish, roll over on your belly for spine extension. Stretch your legs back, toes pointed. Extend your arms shoulder width in front of you on the mat. Now engage your core on an inhale. Exhale and lift the arms and the legs off the mat in a long, low line, keeping your head in line with the spine. Inhale and hold. Exhale and release back to the mat. Take another deep breath in, and on the exhale, float up into a long line. Inhale and hold. Exhale and release. And again, inhale deep and wide as you exhale, lengthen up and out. Inhale, hold, and on your exhale, release back down to the mat. Now, bring your hands under your shoulders, bend your knees, and sit back on your heels for child's pose, breathing deep into the back body, relaxing your shoulders and neck.